Okay, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to explain trigonometry sum. Okay, welcome to my channel. This is in a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle ABC. What is the right angle triangle name? ABC. Right angle at B. If tan A equal to root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second bit, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. In a right angle triangle, the name of the right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A equal to root 3, then find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second bit, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. This is our given problem. How to solve this problem? I would like to explain simple model. First, what is the given data? Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Triangle given data. Given data first, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. A triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B equal to 90 degrees. That is the information given here. Right angle at B. Again, if tan A is equal to root 3. Tan A equal to root 3. This is the given data. What we have to find here, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Second bit, cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So first draw right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. First put names A, B, C, A, B, C. At B, the degrees or angle is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. Now this is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. Now we consider angle at A according to tan A equal to root 3. Tan A equal to root 3. In our problem, angle considered at angle A. So tan A is equal to root 3. Tan A equal to root 3. Tan A equal to root 3. What is the formula for tan theta? Tan theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by adjacent side. Tan A equal to root 3 is given. Tan A formula, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. So root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1, root 3. Root 3 by 1, root 3. Now here, this is root 3 opposite side. Opposite side here, according to angle A, opposite side BC, root 3. Adjacent side AB, 1 given. And here AB is equal to 1, BC equal to root 3. According to Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse side is equal to sum of the squares of two other sides. So according to Pythagoras, in right angle triangle, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AC square we don't know. AB square 1 square plus BC square root 3 whole square. That is equal to 1 plus root 3 into root 3, 3. That is equal to 4. AC square is equal to 4. Then AC is equal to root 4. That is equal to root 4 value 2. So hypotenuse we got 2. And here AB equal to 1, BC is equal to root 3, hypotenuse AC equal to 2. We calculated hypotenuse side by using Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equal to square of sum of the squares of two other sides. Sum of the squares of two other sides. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. 1 square plus root 3 whole square is equal to 1 plus 3, that is equal to 4. Then AC equal to root 4, that is equal to 2. So already we got right angle triangle values here. Now we go for first bit. What is the first bit here? First bit sin A cos C, plus cos A sin C. Already we know the values A, B, C. Here sin A, first we have to find sin A. According to A, sin A, what is the formula? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here sin A, this is angle theta. What is the opposite side? BC. Hypotenuse AC. What is the BC value? Root 3. AC value 2. Hypotenuse side 2. Next cos C. Here we considered angle at C. Theta at C. According to this cos C, what is the formula? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. According to angle C, what is the adjacent side here? Root 3. And AS means BC by hypotenuse. BC value root 3 by hypotenuse value 2. Already we calculated according to Pythagoras theorem. Next cos A. Now we are considered angle at A. Cos A formula adjacent side by hypotenuse. According to A, what is the adjacent side? AB by hypotenuse. What is the AB value? 1 by 2. Next sin C. Opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the opposite sin C? According to C, what is the opposite side? AB by hypotenuse, that is equal to 1 by 2. And then we are considered, how will you consider opposite side here? when you consider angle C, which one is the opposite to that C? AB. That's why we considered 1, and the hypotenuse already we calculated 1 by 2. So these values, we got these values. We can substitute these values in first equation, first sum. Okay. Now here sin A, and sin A cos C, sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, okay. Sin A value right here, sin A value root 3 by 2, cos C value root 3 by 2. Here relation product multiplication plus, what is that one, cos A value 1 by 2, sin C value 1 by 2. Here root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 into 2, 4. Again 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. LCM we got 4, same denominators, we got LCM 4. 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4 by 4, that is equal to 1. Here sin A cos C plus cos A into sin C equal to 1. Next you can solve next sum at your, you can practice it. Okay, my beloved friends, students, if you like this video, like it and share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again.